Hi there, this is Steve Miley for forextraders.com, and here we're going to take a Monday look at the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar, NZDUSD, on a day trade outlook going into today, into Monday. So a positive tone really, since we've had this sharp rise higher after the RBNZ, the Reserve Bank of New Zealand, didn't cut interest rates. There was an expectation of an interest rate cut. They didn't cut interest rates in here back on 12th of November, back last week, and the market had this surging rally up to 64.20. We did get a dip which kind of then suggested potentially are going to correct all of that move, but then a strong rebound into the second half of last week. This strong rebound more driven by a slight bit of US dollar weakness coming through as trade deal hopes in here sees a broader appetite for risk, and the market rebounding off of 63.7 above this 63.27 level, up from 63.57 up to 64.10, and there's real risk we feel today with a fairly positive start to this week for a challenge up to 64.10 and 64.20, maybe as high as this 64.31 impulse point. On the downside, only really back through 63.57 does the theme turn more negative for Monday. This has been Steve Miley, the market chartist for forextraders.com. I'm going to wish you a great trading day. Don't forget to always follow us on our YouTube channel, and I'll be back with you soon.